Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the variable and how we can use. So variable is storing some information. So do you want to make any calculation and you need to store anything inside a variable after you need to display in last. So you can use it variable. Suppose you are open the suppose mark sheet. After mark sheet is showing the all the results inside value means is marks. So you need to make like total of the marks. So what you need to do, first you need to create a one variable. After inside variable you need to store, and after you can show is a bottom. Let's give you the one example so you can better understand what is the variable. Okay, so I already opened my index.php file, and also I already opened my index.php file. Last few videos I will show you what is the PHP and how to create files and how we can use it file inside PHP codes and how we can start the PHP. So just we can use a one HTML inside I can put, otherwise we don't want to need a HTML, but HTML wise I can show you so look like better these reasons. Okay, and here I can type like a PHP variable. Let's make a copy paste spelling so we can do it quickly. Okay, so now in this video we need to use variable. So variable you can use it directly, PHP like PHP and PHP. Okay, so inside we can create like one variable like a sample code. Okay, this is the variable name, and I will store here like a welcome to tutorial, and I just put like a semicolon, and this variable information I need to put inside a body. Let's make some zoom outs, and I can put inside a body. So what I can do, like again start the PHP here, and here I can close the PHP, and after I use the echo function, and I can put here sample codes. Okay, so let's go to back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a welcome to tutorials. So everything is good because here is storing the inside value about the variables, and after automatic I print inside a sample code means a variable name. But this is like simple way. Suppose do you want to make like a different way, suppose you have a one table. So let's create a one table, and tr inside td. Okay, here showing the marks means th, and here is showing the th. Okay, we can create a one for loop. So I hope you can understand for each loop, and for loop I can explain later, but right now I just explain about how to work variable. This reason I am doing the one for loop here. So just php, not here, like we can do is a new one, td I can use here, and also I can use td here, and this is the php starting I can put first here, and also I can means I need to start here like a for loop for $I is equal to 0 means 1, whatever do you need, and is equal to I less than is equal to 10. Okay, and I plus plus $I plus plus. I will explain how to work like a for each loop means for loop, but right now just you can understand here is a one variable work. Okay, and here we can make it like a for loop start, and here we can make it like end for loop. So just you can put here like a php and for loop. Okay, I just go back again, and I just refresh the page, so you can see it like a mark. First is a like header mark, and here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 here showing. Let's print this variable name because we need to show how to work variable here. So I just put this is the variable name. So, like I think this is a shortcut way. So do you want to print like this, so also work. So I save this one and just go back again, so also work 1 2 3 4 5 6, but we need to make here total. So what is the work, how to work total? So you can use it directly, and suppose do you want to use like this, so also work. Okay, echo let's make a code proper way so we can easily understand, and just make some zoom out because okay, now we need to create another td bottom tr, and just inside td, and I can write total, and after we need to show all the total what I did here total. Suppose I can go back again and I refresh the page. So here showing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the total I need to show here. So my first mark is like first subject is like 1 mark, second subject is like 2 mark. This is the example. So it is not real mark. This is the example. Second subject is like a 3 mark. Fourth subject is equal to 4 mark. Fifth mark 6 mark, 7 mark, 8 mark. So this is the sum we need to show bottom. So do you want to make like a 7 mark related? So just you can change here to 7. After I click on the save, okay, save, and I just go back, refresh the page. So only work 7 wise loop, because looping working like a what's the one, and after which time we need to stop, like less than is equal to is a operator. So 7, and just you can make I is equal to plus plus. So is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like the plusing work. Otherwise you can make like a I $I plus 1. So it's working like this, like okay, I think the errors, because I will explain later for these things. Okay, how to work for each loop. Just for here is a, you can understand like how to work variable. So here I will create a new variable name total sum, and here I will give the value 0. Okay, after what I do, total sum is equal to total sum plus $I. So here what he doing, total sum is a variable name, so you can make it like a total sum is equal to plus $I. So whatever there before value plus $I, whatever there before value plus $I, because the looping wise works. So every time is going to sum. Okay, let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. So here is no any errors. Just we need to print total sum here like a PHP and echo and total sum. Okay, this is the variable I have print, and just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it like a 28 sum. So this is the variable work. So whatever do you want to make a sum, whatever do you want to show here last one, so you can do it inside a variable. It is a different way, lots of uses, but this is the like a simple way I explain what is the variable use, how to use variable. So do you want to make like a sum about the only and 3 and 4 subjects? So you need to make here like a if query, means if I is equal to 3 I greater than is equal to 3 and I less than is equal to 5. So going to inside and need to make a sum, and after you can do it like here total sums. Like this way possible, but this is the I have explained like a simple way. What I did, first I create a for each loop, means for loop, and for loop inside I have made like one variable here declare, and this variable again I will show you about $I plus I, and we have make a sum here, and after I can show bottom. And this is the sum, you can do it like 1 plus 3, 3 means the 6 for 10, 10 plus 5, so 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28. So you can see it here is working very well. Suppose I can make here 10, okay, and I just go back again. So automatic sum work. So here you can see the 55 work. Suppose I can make like a 25. So it's working like this sum. You can see it like all the sums 325. Suppose I can make like 100, because the looping there like 100. So you can see it like 100 by showing here what's the sum there, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 200. So 515, sorry, 5015. So this is the variable. So do you want to make a first 3 variable sum? This is the also need to make like for this is the sum. So also possible we need to make like a lots of condition here, like if query, less than, greater than, key we can use, means a dollar, greater than, less than is a like operator we can use, and we can do it inside a one variable. This is the use for variable. Same thing I show you about the sample inside. Sample inside you can store here string, and this string you can print inside down. So we need to print also this string like here, same like you can sample code, and you can print here, and just you can put here like whatever do you want to, like welcome. I just put like a welcome. So here you can see it. I just refresh the page, so you can see it here total, and also you can see it like welcome to tutorial, because welcome, this is the way of write inside HTML, and this is the way of store inside value inside a one variable. So this variable also print here. Why is work? Because we did 2 times TD. Otherwise we can use here like a border. I think you can understand like core HTML, so you can easily understand what I am doing inside a table. So what do you know about core HTML? So okay, just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it here is like border. So working very well, no issue. Let's make only here is a 5. So look like better. Okay, so you can see it like and here we can show like pass and fail, like less than is equal to going to. So another variable we can show is like string is a pass, otherwise is into fail. So I hope do you have a clear about the how to use variables. So do you have a question? So please comment out and I will give you the always answer. And do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And next video I can show you about how to make a comment inside a PHP. I can clear everything basic tutorial here, so it's good for me and good for you. After we can go like a greater works. Okay, so thank you for watching.